Kalimera. On a beautiful winter day. Look at that. Rain, no snow. I'll take it. The good news is I fixed it. Alright. Let's check it out. Neutral is, I have left it on for a while. Neutral is here. Alright, so let's see it again. Starting the bike. Do you see it's counting the gears? All right, I went all the way up to 6. So, if you do that, be careful. But the thing works excellent. So I'm not going to buy the part. Maybe I get a used part from eBay or something, or from a local, the car GR we have here. And it works. I suck it. Let me tell you what I did. It's like, I haven't finished it. I just put it temporary here, so I can test it, right there. I have to put to tension the top and the bottom again and put the wires back. But I suck it in W40. I put inside W40, the little hole it has like a T. If you pay attention in that, the inside the T, the axle goes, okay, the axle that comes from the motorcycle, all right? So I spray W40 inside that, and I left it for a couple of hours. I rotated it with a screwdriver with a flat. I went back, I blow some compressed air so the W40 can go out. I return it again with a flat screwdriver and put some more W40 and blow it out again so I can kind of like clean it up. And that's it. I spray contact spray for electrical on the connectors, one and this one, and I'm going to spray on this one too. All right, and it works. So I might get a used part just to put it on the side for just in case, but the thing works fine. All right, so let's finish it up. Okay, it's right here. The muffler is a little bit hot right now, but it's okay. See if I can do it from here. Yeah, that's much better from here. Okay, and I'm going to tell you again, the trick is this. If I didn't have this, I won't be able to do it. That's a 1/4 inch and fits on the 8mm perfectly. And it's small enough so I can, tension that thing. I know it's not easy, but think about it. The other thing was like to take the muffler out or even the rear drive, so that would be a pain. Okay, so it goes nice and slow. I'm not going to tighten it too much because it's plastic and expensive. It's like a couple of $100. I called the dealer today. He gave me a quote for like 190. And I found a used one. I might get the used one so I can put it on the side. Okay, that's good enough right there. All right, let's tension the other side. Okay, right there is good. All right, so let's finish up the electrical. Okay, we're doing good. Well, I'm not here. I'm just gonna clean this up too. And I have to clean up the bike. I do the cleanup by myself. And with my hand. Okay, I don't trust putting I have a pressure washer. I don't trust it. I don't use it on the bike. I just, you know, make some soap and clean the whole thing up. And maybe I use the pressure washer just to spray the soap on the bike, and that's it. Just I use a sponge and you know, wash it up, and that's it. Takes 15 minutes. All right, so we're good here. I mean, this is a working bike. It's okay. It's acceptable to be a little bit dirty. All right, so now I'm gonna put back that clip, but we have to be careful because this cable goes back here with another clip. So I'm gonna do the top first, but there was a tie here, electrical tie, so I don't know where they put it. Let me see here if there is a hole. You see that? That's where they put the little bracket here. That took me kind of a while to figure out, so I didn't, you know, take it out slowly from on the first episode, so you know I don't have to break it and everything. Right there. Okay. Ah, I see now. Okay, I see why they have the tie. They want to hold this cable together right here. So I see it. Okay, yep, that makes sense. So let me put one here. Now it's easier. Yeah. And then I can snap this in. Yeah, the thing doesn't come out, that's it. It's all the way in. And then I can put the cable, the electrical tie with the cable. Right here. Okay, hold on. There's not too much space there. Right there. This is what I wanted. Right here. No, not good. Okay. That should do it. Alright, now we have the little clip that I'll show you on the first episode. Alright. Okay, so that means the cable goes on the big part, goes right here. Okay. Alright, can you see it? Right here. So maybe if I put this up first, this has to go on the bottom. Alright, so let's put this up first. You know, the thing, little thing is like stainless steel, so it's like, it's really hard. They can do the other way. Let me see here. Let me try another way. No, it's not easy. Just to, you know, we fix the whole thing. We're stuck on a clip. Again, I'm an engineer. I'm not a mechanic. A mechanic, this is like not even 10 minutes job, as I say on the first video. And I start working on this on Saturday. Alright, I don't want to pressure it too much because, you know, the worst scenario, I'm just going to put a tie. You know, the thing is like, I'm going to bring my hammer. Okay, so I did it. Okay, let's look at it. See it? Right there, right there. Let's do a final inspection. Okay. All right. Neutral is up. Gear works. The most important thing is you have to look in here. And of course, when the neutral is blinking, you have a problem. Alright, thanks for watching, guys. Put some likes so the algorithm of YouTube can bring the video up and people can see it. And they can fix that, because that can be expensive. If you go to the dealer, I saw the US prices, that piece was like 250, okay? In Europe it's like 190. So you're talking about 190 bucks just for the part plus labor, all right? Definitely going to charge you an hour labor. So you're talking about it about at least 250 bucks for damage on this little thing here. All right. Thanks for watching.